Look, I don't know what's more shocking, the fact that I'm actually uploading a video, or the fact that it's about railroads, which I haven't done in a while. Welcome back to Railroad and More Studios. It's me, your host, Devin the Man, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video. I haven't done one of those in a while. And so here's an announcement, quick announcement. The Valor video, American Valor, whatever, it's not going to be uploaded for a very long time. It's taking a very long time. Don't even try to comment about the McKee Sons. Don't even try, okay? So, we're gonna open these Walthers mainline Amtrak Heritage Unit cars. 3 of them. I got these as a Christmas gift. All 3 of them, not bundled together, but like... Oh, they're buds. They're not Heritage, they're buds. See? Buds. So... we're going to unbox these and test them and pull them behind my cabbage. So the 3 cars that we have to unbox today are a coach baggage combination car, a dome observation car, which it still says coach, I don't know why, and a plain old passenger car. So we're gonna start off with the coach baggage car. So let's open it from the unsealed side. Oh, I ripped the box. Okay, so we got our paperwork. An interior lighting kit, which I guess you can add. So this is like if you want to light the car. These are like what you need in order to light one car. This, I don't know what the heck this is. Oh, roof removal. And then we got, of course, the number sheet. It's upside down. The number sheet to put on this car because these are not numbered. I guess there's no, like, explosive diagram or something, so yeah, we're gonna do that. Let's pop this off. There's no plastic or anything to lift it up. You can just lift it up with your hands. Look at that. Beautiful. I'm pretty sure that these cars are designed to run on 24-inch radius due to their length. They are pretty long. But look at that. That's just this looks amazing. So we got the baggage section up here. I'm not sure if it's like actually furnished in there. I think it's not. I don't think it is. And then we got this area which is furnished. There are tables. There's like seats right here. We got some seats in here. There's tables and stuff. But this is still listed as just like a coach car. Well, it's actually not listed as anything, so that's cool. All right, give me some time to clean up, and I will be back with the next car, which is the dome car. Now we have the dome car. This is the one I'm most excited about because I've never actually had a dome car in my life. So we're gonna go ahead and open that up. It says coach. I don't know why the heck it says coach, but it's a dome car. Take that, Walthers, if I can actually get this one. Walthers is amazing for packaging. Okay. Roof removal. Decals. We don't have a lighting instruction. Let's open this up. Okay, I actually really like this. I actually like this a lot better than the way it looked in the box. That looks amazing. That is absolutely beautiful. There are seats. There are seats on the inside. They're all beige, but like whatever. Track. I'm gonna see through it. There's not terribly amount of detailing underneath, but that's okay. I don't really care. So, last car, coach car. Last but certainly not least, we have the basic coach car. There's nothing too special about this car. There are 2 porthole windows. There's 2 porthole windows on each side. So I'm curious about what that's gonna be. I wonder if it's like a bathroom or if it's like a chair thingy. We'll find out. We may find out. LED light interior, same thing. See, I got this. I guess these are like bathrooms because I can't see anything. There's a hallway, so yeah, I guess these are bathrooms, and then the rest are chairs for you to sit in, obviously. Yeah, it looks amazing. None of the doors function, obviously, because it's HO. They can't put that much detail on it. These push in, obviously, because, you know, spring action for tight turns. So now let's put all these cars on the track and pull it behind an engine. Alright, so I got the cars all loaded up on the track. They are, in this track, we got the baggage car, the dome car, and the passenger coach car all the way in the back. In the middle, on track 2, we got the Metra, and then on track 1, we got the cabbage, which is going to pull this. So I'm just going to do a little switching so we can get this engine hooked up to those cars. I have tested the track. The track is like perfectly fine, all clean. The trains are running smoothly on it, so we're fine. Alright, so we're all hitched up, and now we can take it away.